Today I show you the fastest way to fold a t-shirt in under 3 seconds. Actually in 2 seconds you can get the t-shirt folded. You make 2 imaginary lines on the t-shirt, one from the collar towards the bottom and another one from under the armpit, and you grab from the top and from the middle like this. Then you bring your hand to the bottom side of the t-shirt, you fold it over and look at it, it's like magic. And you do it once again, you have a nice neatly folded t-shirt. Let's do it again. So point A is the top of the line, point B is between where the lines intersect, and point C is the bottom of the t-shirt. So you grab with your right hand from point A on the top, with your left hand from the middle of the t-shirt, and you bring point A holding it to point C. Your right hand, you bring it to the left there, and it's really like magic here. It's very fast. You can do this really in 2 seconds. I'm really showing you here slowly so you can see, but it's actually, you can do it with one movement. The most important thing, if you really want to do it fast, is you do it on a surface, on a flat table that is solid, not like here on the bed. It's a bit soft, so it's a bit harder to grab. It's important to grab both sides of the t-shirt, the top and bottom, when you do that. And once you do this, it's very easy. You can do this so much faster than with any other method that I know of. In really minutes you can fold most of your t-shirts or even all your t-shirts, and you can stack them like that. It's really easy to use, easy to wear. You can see the color nicely, you can see the color of it, and if it's a V color or a normal regular color, or if it's thicker, you know how you prefer it. But really this is very easy to do. You have to try it. It's really like magic. It might not work out the first time, but it's important to point B, the middle one should be in the middle of the t-shirt under the armpit, and you should grab both sides. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you fold your t-shirts.